Alright traders, it is the 19th of July 2017. My name is Jameson. We are looking at a weekly vertical bar chart of Torchlight Energy Resources here. The ticker is TRCH. There's a few things here that interest me. One is that we do have a nice rising 200-day simple moving average. It confirms the trend is bullish. We can find that we have a nice bullish ascending channel. And it looks like we're in the process of confirming a prior level resistance as support. So it looks like Torchlight Energy Resources is on a springboard here as we're back testing a prior level of resistance confirming a support. We're trading into the lower trend line here, the bullish ascending channel, and that of the 200-day simple moving average. Now, what I find most kind of telling here is that we did rally into highs here. We encountered a lot of supply, a lot of profit taking, a lot of shorting. Something's going on here. Very bearish candle with increased ease of downward movement, closing at lows, and occurred on a lot of volume. But here's the story being told. This is very bearish. It breaks down and then actually regains and reachieves the 200-day simple moving average. Good technical strength here. Actually creates a spring and drives prices forward for a couple months here. Very attractive. But it's the character at which that we retest this zone, right? This is a very bearish session. We have to say this is in a very important kind of key session that needs to be retested. And if you look at the price action over the last couple weeks, we have retested it. And it's the character at which that we retested it that I find attractive. And let's look at it closer. So if we look at this this weekly session, it occurred on a lot of supply. And then we kind of rally around, we chop through here, and then we break through this level of resistance with a little bit stronger volume. So that tells me there's still some demand, there's buyers that's here. And every time we dip down, we're seeing dip buyers. And then here, we actually break back down. It looks like we're back testing all these buyers, right? Are they confident? Are they strong hands? And then we kind of continue to kind of compress through here. What I find attractive is as we're defining this level of support here, we can see that supply is contracting. The supply that emerged, the selling volume, is decreasing. That tells a story that it looks like we're in strong hands here and that there's not as many sellers. So I certainly find this more attractive, that it looks like it's controlled by strong hands, and from a trading perspective, it gives opportunity to longs. As longs here have the opportunity to buy support defined by the lower trend line, by this prior level resistance, and a 200-day simple moving average. So it looks like longs have defined risk, and your reward would be at least a retest into highs here. Let's begin to look like a pretty attractive trade moving forward. Good luck, traders.